Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today I'm very excited to show you my new build. This is the Speedybee Master 3X. It's a smaller version of the very popular Master 5-inch FPV quad. I had a little bit of trouble trying to buy this anywhere. Seems to be out of stock everywhere, but I managed to find the parts to build my own. So what I did, I purchased the frame, the flight controller, ESC, the props and the motors, and I just built my own. It's exactly the same specification as the factory Master 3X. So I've built mine with the O3 air unit. What I really like about this quad is it has a modular head. You can buy it as a plastic version and an aluminium version, I believe. I went for the aluminium version. It was only £5 more or so. I fitted it out with a DJI O3 air unit I had laying around. So the flight controller I'm using is the Speedybee F405 all-in-one. So that's the flight controller and ESC all rolled into one. I'm running 1507 3600 kV motors. I'm running this on a 4S setup. I'm running HQ prop, I believe it's 3525. I'm using the Speedybee 2.4 gigahertz receiver. So I'm running this on ELRS. I don't have a GPS installed in this yet. I should be doing that tomorrow, but she's all ready for a maiden flight. I'm using an 850 milliampere hour 4S LiPo, and that's just about everything. So today's the maiden flight. It's a little bit wet, a little bit cloudy here in Wales today. I like to come to this field because if anything goes wrong, if I need to crash, it falls out the sky, I have a very soft landing. So now we'll go over to the maiden flight.